questions to you guys, and we shall start off with the question and answer. Parang beauty pageant. Okay, Sir Alan Sangkon from Stars Photog. I think he's here. Hi, Kuya Alan. He has a question for Donnie and Kyle, and his question goes, how do you prepare for your action scenes here? So far, ano ba yung pinakamatinding challenges you encounter doing this action teleserye?
How do we prepare? Well, una sa lahat, I just want to say thank you, of course. We keep saying thank you again, but to Coach Erwin Tagle.
Yes.
Napakagaling niya. He's really an actor's coach. He really helped us out throughout this whole process. We didn't have as much time as we wanted pagdating sa training, pero masaya kami dahil tinulungan niya kami. He was there throughout the whole process. I feel like towards your question po na how did we prepare, marami po kami mga training days. We had a lot of training and it didn't stop just sa studio niya. It also happened on set. May mga rest days po kami pero kailangan pa rin mag-training sa mga araw na yun. And I think more than anything, it was really, ang pinaka-importante para sa amin was to mentally and physically prepare ourselves for this whole challenge, which was Roja.
So aside from the martial arts, yung jiu-jitsu na training, tsaka our knees, or yung holding of a gun and how to fire it, one of the most challenging things for me was really the endurance and being sure that I was ready to go through those scenes over and over again kasi ilang takes yan, ilang angulo, first time ko gawin din to eh. I think Kyle has some action scenes already na shoot niya before. Pero ako kasi first time ko talaga na gumawa ng serye na yun talaga yung focus. So I really had to make sure na my body was prepared and it really took a lot. Kasi hindi biro yung minsan makakall ka tapos hindi mo alam ganun pala kalaki yung action scene. So you really have to make sure that you're not running out of breath and you're ready for the next scene. Tsaka yun, kasi katulad ng sinabi direct, si Direk Raymond kanina na palaging tension yung hinahanap.
And prone to injury.
Prone to injury. Marami rin kaming naging maliliit na battle scars dito in a good way. Kasi part talaga ng characters namin.
Yeah, just for the audiences to know, no? Direct, wala pong stunt double dito. Wala. Sila mismo talaga gumagawa ng mga...
Meron naman si
May mga
Direk.
parts lang na...
Si Iggy Boy daw eh. Is Iggy Boy here rin? Oh, dumalit siya sa party si Iggy Boy. Okay.
90% sila yung nag-perform talaga. And kung may stunts man, special shot talaga.
Super
Like,
special,
for example,
yeah.
yung mga drone shots na hindi na makailangan ng artista talaga. So, better double.
Grabe yung effort na ginagawa nila. And I have to say, ang ganda nung Dreamscape synergy. We have seen the mentoring with Sir Coco Mardin and also Jake Cuenca. Ang galing ang mentoring. Now, he has a question, si Sir Alan, for Mai. The question is, this is your comeback acting project. Again, congratulations, Mai. Saan ka pinaka-excited sa paggawa ng action teleserye na ito? And memorable experiences behind the scenes mo sa paggawa nito?
Sobrang, ano yung pinaka-excited? Pinaka-excited po talaga ako yung mga action scenes po. Kasi sobrang fan talaga ako ng mga action movies at matagal ko na po talagang pinapangarap yung action po na role. Kaya po yung enough po na time to learn po my craft po sa acting ay sobrang perfect timing po kasi nung binigay po nila sa akin ito, feel ko talaga ito yung handa ako talaga na may apply ko po rin natutunan ko po sa acting. At ang binigay pa sa akin, thank you po Dreamscape, Netflix at ABS-CBN kasi matagal ko na talaga siyang pinapangarap. Kaya thank you sa oportunidad nito. Sana po ay abangan niyo po ang aking mga action skills. Okay. Pre, relax. Kasi hindi po pinapakita eh. Pero, the best.
Okay. Ang dami naman nakuha doon, Mai. Maraming salamat, pre.
Thank you, pre.
But congratulations, dreams do come true.
Yes
And
po.
thank you for saying yes to this project as
Opo
well.
naman. Yes po. For
Okay.
ABS-CBN.
Thank you, Mai. Questions from social media directed now to Miss LT. May scene ka dito na sinasabunutan at sinasampal siya si Presuman. How was doing that scene with her and kamusta na makatrabaho siya ulit?
Hindi, actually sila nag-request na totohanin.
Si Yasi po?
Yeah, si Yasi
Oh.
nag-request. Sabi niya sa akin, Tita, please, matawag na sa akin. Please, talaga saktan mo ako.
Wow!
Hindi, ayaw niya sabihin kasi,
Hindi ako nag-request
syempre humble si
Hindi ako
Mama.
nag-request.
Siya ang nag-request.
Ako hindi nag-request.
Hindi ka nag-request.
Pero damay hindi sinabi. Nasaktan tuloy. Pero at least nakuha yung totoong emosyon. Yeah, but last time you worked with Yasi was
Ang
Provinciano. Yes. Ito ang pabalik. Dreamscape. Ang galing. Miss Janice de Belen, nakwento ni Kyle sa isang interview kung gaano kayo naging close in shooting this series or taping this series. Kamusta yung bond nyo ngayon and how is it working with him?
Actually, initially, I was scared because Kyle is 22. Mali ba na kung sino ako? Naman niya ako kilala.
Everyone knows who you are.
I see him in parties and he's always nice enough to greet me. Pero syempre, when you're working together, iba eh. I didn't know if I would connect to him. I didn't know if I would have to make so much effort just to be able to connect to him. Kasi yung relationship namin dito, syempre, dapat close. Dapat may, yung super close. So, yun yung initial fear ko. But in fairness to him, he was the one who really made an effort.
Kita dramdam
totoo
siya.
naman.
Kita dramdam
Yeah.
siya.
Oo, diba? Tsaka parang baby ko na to. So, pagka umaga, pag nakikita ko yan, kiss. Kiss.
Automatic na.
Oo, mapagbigay naman.
Ah, so cute. Hanggang ngayon, nag-translate oh. Ang cute. Baby. Thank you for answering that question, Ms. Janice. JO Certified Kapamilya asks Sir Joel Torre, muli niyo pong makatrabaho si Kyle Echari sa isang teleserye. Sa Kapamilya React ay na-share po niya yung experience niya working with you with a crying scene. Ito ang sinabi ni Kyle. And I quote, grabe naman tong question na to. Sobra akong kinilig noong araw na yon kasi sinabihan ako ni Tito Joel pagkatapos ng eksena, ang galing naman pala ni Moises eh. Ang galing pala ng anak ko eh. Simula noon, Tito Joel always makes sure that I know what he's proud of me. Can you share with us kung ano po yung nakita nyo kay Kyle bilang aktor at ano po yung sa tingin nyo ang kaya pa niyang i-accomplish? Pang MMK pala yung question na ito.
Kaya nga eh. Baka iiyak ako dito.
Kaya nga.
The seriousness, the thing, ang focus niya, at saka yung commitment, no? It's all about commitment and the consistency. Sabi ko nga kay Kyle, hindi to sprint dun sa Pamilya Sagrado. We were running a marathon. We were doing a teleserye, hindi yung pang madalian lang. We were on for 6 months, was it though? So tuloy-tuloy, so wag kang bibitaw. And he did. And he won the best actor. And it had nothing to do with it. But we worked hard together. And dito, medyo wala kaming masyadong eksena. But I could see these guys, they're very serious about it. Which I really like among the young actors who had the same attitude, the same sa trabaho. So it's very promising na we're leaving it to the next generation. Kami medyo pa-relax na lang eh. I thought nag-relax nga ako dito sa Roja kasi akala ko nasa na kami sa resort, sa beach, tatay, wala, may PTSD ako. So, trabaho talaga. But we love our job. And so do they. So, yan ang pinaka-importante sa akin. Mahalin mo trabaho mo. Sabi nga ni Vic Sanayan, mahalin mo ang trabaho mo, Joel. Love your work and your work will love you back. And it translates on screen. Thank you.
Thank you. Everyone's professional. Kyle, you wanna say something?
Sobrang na-touch naman ako doon. Gulat ako, dalawang tanong kayong tungkol sa akin.
Kaya nga eh. Birthday mo ba?
Kaya nga eh. Hindi, dito Joel has been someone na talagang hinahangaan ko dito sa industry na ito. One of the most giving, not just actors, but people you will ever meet in your life. Sorry. But, gutom ka na. Gutom na ba? Hindi, sobrang hangang-hanga ako kay Tito Joel because, he's one of the greatest actors in the Philippines. We can all agree to that. Oro Plata Mata pa lang, di ba? Alam na natin. Tito Joel Torre na yan. And for him to say yes to a project like this, be able to teach us in the process and be honest with everything that he's felt towards us, talaga nagpapasalamat lang kami. We just love to learn from him. He's a pioneer for what he does. And sobrang thank you, Tay. I love you so much. Ano mo yan?
Actually, you guys are so lucky you got icons in this cast. Grabe, ang napakahusay ng mga aktor at actress na kasama dito sa Roja and even in the world of La Playa Roja. Ang galing, ang galing. Thank you so much to all of our actors and actresses.